Do you know what are dimples exactly and how they are caused? And why do some people have dimple and other don't? Dimples are actually small folds in fleshy part of the cheeks. Only 20% of people around the world has naturally dimple. Though a dimple is a facial feature one gets genetically, there are many ways you can actually get dimple without undergoing surgery. Yes, even those who are born without dimple can mimic this facial feature through different ways. Tips number 1. Pulling the cheeks in. The trick here is to make a face like you are eating lemon or something very sour. Be sure not to clench your teeth but tighten the lips together, as this procedure is aimed at getting the naturally looking dimples. Try not to overdo on puckering your lips and pulling your cheeks in. Doing cheeks exercise is claimed to be helpful. Tips number 2. Press and hold. This is another tip to get dimple fast. By this method it is proved to be work. To apply it, determine the deepest point of your cheeks. Then put your thumbs on the point and hold for 30 minutes. Just perform this exercise before going to bed or when you are getting ready for an event. You also can use pencil to make it somewhat easier. One more thing to do before applying this tip is to cut your nail to avoid damaging your skin. Tips number 3. Smile wide. You might think that getting dimple in a few minutes is impossible. In fact, smiling is considered as the safest and most natural way to get dimple in long run. Smiling is not only an effective remedy for stress, but a cool beauty enhancement tool. To get the most out of this tip, smile widely but naturally. If you are doing previous exercise, you can continue it by adding a smile for a double effect. Your fingers should be positioned near the corner of the mouth where dimple naturally occur. Dimple make people more adorable. Many people including celebrities spend lots of money to get this feature. We have just shared a few useful, safe and cost-free tips on how to make dimple. Hope it will help you. So thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.